Frank with Stonelink Property Manager here at 25 Circle Street, Unit 3, Rumford, Rhode Island. It's a first floor, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom apartment for rent. Start our video tour when you walk in. To my left, you got coat closet space, brand new flooring throughout, high ceilings, big windows for plenty of natural light. AC unit here in the closet. You got stainless steel refrigerator, dishwasher, countertop and cabinet space, undermount sink, electric stove, built-in microwave, very spacious living room area. To my left, you get the large bathroom with a shower, no tub, new backsplash, very spacious. Come over to the bedroom here, newer plush carpeting, big enough for a king set. Big closet there to my left. I'd like to apply for 25 Circle Street, Unit 3, Rumford, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of the screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.